Welcome everyone. Today we are going to show you something that is truly revolutionary. Have you ever seen a screen or display that just feels like the surrounding around you? Today we are going to introduce you to the Shell series at Hawaii LED screens. It's mesmerizing, isn't it? You can see right through it and yet it captivates you. This is a perfect solution for the storefronts where you don't want to block any view and get maximum attention. With over 60% of transparency, it's more like contents are dancing in front of you. What do you think? You ready to transform your space and make every moment remarkable? With Shell series, your brand become a canvas of creativity. Let's elevate ordinary to the extraordinary.